How to disable Windows Firewall. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps on how you can disable the firewall of your Windows 11 computer system. So if you want to test something out or you think that the firewall is interfering with some of your internet traffic and you wish to disable them, so let me show you how to do this. So the first thing that we'll need to do is simply go to the taskbar and simply search for Windows Defender or the Windows Security. So this is the Windows Security right here. Simply click onto this and you will see an interface like this. Now from here, you can see the fourth option, that is Firewall and Network Protection. Click onto the Firewall and Network Protection, and from here, if you wish to disable the firewall, you can do so for these three networks. So this is the domain network for which firewall is on. This is the private network for firewall is on, and for the public network also the firewall is currently enabled. So in order to disable, you can simply click onto that particular network, and from here this says Microsoft Defender Firewall is currently active. So in order to disable this, simply click onto this off button, and if prompted, click onto yes. And now you can see that the firewall is currently disabled. So that's how easily you can disable firewall in any of the network in your Windows 11 computer system. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.